Hello guys! Oh, it's Jack and it's me.
Hello again.
Hello too, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm Major Tom from Germany, you know.
From the Germans. Yeah. Welcome to a new survival vlog. Okay guys, we're now at an ammunition storage from the former German army, and yeah, let's have a look inside and check out what's left of it. So that looks quite used by some homeless people maybe. The heating installation for the bomb storage to keep them warm and dry. Nice that it's still there. Yeah, that's the radiator. No metal thieves. Come on, guys. Attacked by a plane. Pow, pow, pow.
Hey plane, go away, let it be. Mr. Krach. Da. Hatscha. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, that's the air shaft. Ventilation shaft.
So, das gibt heute Leckeres.
Hello guys, welcome to ALW Exploration and our new menu. On the menu today, MRE menu number 7, gravy with seasoned beef brisket slices. So that sounds nice, huh? Should we try that? Yes. Oh, a knife. Thank you, knife. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh, that's quite heavy.
It looks great.
Well, let's start on top. Yeah, that's the main dish. Gravy with seasoned beef slices.
From the year?
It's 2014. 2014.
Okay.
Not that old. Yeah, and my friend, the one and only peanut butter.
Oh.
Not good for me, but good for all others. I don't like nuts. Yeah, what's next? Oh, what's that? White wheat snack bread. White wheat snack bread. So, just a normal piece of white bread. Nutrition facts. Oh, that's nice. Oh. That's Irish cream cappuccino. Hot drink. Irish cream. But not with alcohol, so...
Oh.
Let's check the next one. That's... Oh, these are the famous garlic potatoes.
Oh.
when you eat the garlic potatoes, you're not allowed to leave your home for 2 days because of the smell from the garlic. So it's quite awful.
Wait a moment.
Air alarm!
The find is coming now.
The find, yeah. He means the enemy.
No, the find. He find us.
So let's go on with the Germans. So the next one is raisins.
Okay.
Without nuts this time. So they're quite nice. Sweet and tenderful. Yeah, the MRE spoon. Elastic fantastic. And then apple jelly.
Oh.
Apple jelly. Now last time it was not working properly, so maybe we are lucky this time because
It wasn't there.
it looks quite okay, so there's no signs of
Oh. What's going on?
It's really strange. Never seen that before.
No?
No,
Oh.
it's quite strange. Peppermint.
Oh, peppermint patty.
Yeah, it feels like some boiled sweets. Yeah, it must
Wow.
be boiled sweets.
Okay. Whoa, that's so much. Sure.
What about the white wheat snack bread?
Okay.
White wheat is not good in MREs. Mostly they go rancid.
Ah. Don't cry, eat it.
Yeah, it smells okay.
Yes, yes.
So what about some apple jelly on that?
Oh, bread with apple jelly.
Bread with apple jelly. That sounds inviting. Yeah. Oh, Mother Nature, forgive me. So let's check that. That looks quite, yeah, quite processed. The apple jelly.
It looks good.
Yeah, that looks like poison to me. I'll try that. That's okay. Perfectly fine. Yeah, nice. Nice. Really good. We're in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of a forest, in a big ammunition storage from the Second World War and later used by the US and British, by the NATO troops and for bomb storage. And yeah, it's full of creatures creeping around and want to eat us, so
Yes.
we have to take care.
It's so creepy. They want to eat us.
So let's go on.
The next one. Oh, what's this? Okay. Ah.
You want to have some?
No, thank you.
No, I don't want to eat them.
Why?
Ah,
It smells.
yeah, they are rancid because it's oily
Poo.
and they become rancid, so the oil is not good anymore.
And
on that.
they look so.
Yeah, they look nice, but they smell terrible and they are oily
Yes.
and yeah. Yeah, they're not really nice, so they are looking not that good and they smell terrible. Terrible, really terrible. Ooh.
No.
Yeah, let's try some of the main dish here. Let's try the beef one. So, we make the FRH ready for cooking. Imagine you have to do that on a battlefield in the winter time with ice cold fingers.
I can do it.
Impossible.
I'm Major Tom. Vodka?
Vodka. Давай, товарищ, vodka. Skål.
Okay.
some more critters. Ah. Drop that in there. And
So
yeah, we have to put it this way so that it can stay a bit upright. Now we have to wait some few minutes and then
okay.
we will go on. Let's do it the hard way. Yeah, that's quite hot. That looks like dog food.
Woof.
Very nice. Oh.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like dog food.
Yes, yes, really.
Ooh.
Big dog.
La 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 la. Yeah, that's okay. Nice. Yeah, really nice. Love it. We don't have something to pick up the water, so we have to do it the classic way.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how we do it in the military. If you don't have the right tools, make your own tools. Wow, that smells. That's just coffee and milk. So we take care of our environment and we will take the shit with us. That's perfectly fine. Sweet, tasty. That's really nice. Milky, a bit of the smell and the taste of caramel, and yeah, really nice. Love it. Yeah, okay, and then we'll have the rest of the pack, and we will take some of these peppermint boiled sweets. Where are they from? Wait a second. Sopeco Mullins, South Carolina. So they had a long way to here. Yeah, they look nice. Guys, check out that.
Mini donut.
Lifesaver. It saves your life when you're in danger. They're really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I will keep them. Ah, nice. Oh, there are more. More. They look like mini donuts. Yeah, they taste really good. What's inside there? Yeah, that's cinnamon chiclets. Moist towelette. You can wipe something off with it. Beverage base raspberry type 3. Raspberry drink. Not that good. Iodized salt. And the super important Lighthouse toilet paper roll.
What's this?
That's a raspberry drink. Raspberry. You know raspberry?
What is it?
It's Himbeere.
Ah,
The German word for raspberry is Himbeere.
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 Strawberry, Himbeere. Yeah.
Strawberry is Erdbeere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next time we will do a lesson learning German
Yes.
with the Germans.
But you open it.
Yeah, that's these nasty stuff with the red and violet color.
Oh, that's great. That's wonderful.
Nasty
That's awesome.
drink thing.
You need it. I know you need it.
No, that's the nasty one. You remember that?
I remember, you remember. Whoa, oh, it's a great color.
Yeah, that's raspberry. That's what I said. These
A little bit more water.
darkish purple red.
Darkish.
Steer it up, little darling.
Red.
Steer it up.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Really good. Huh?
Yeah, that's okay. Mega sweet. Whoa.
More water.
Yeah, that's super sweet and yeah, some kind of artificial flavor, but
It's great together with
yeah, with the peppermint.
Yes.
Smells awful, really, awful. Yeah, but it's okay. All that stuff is meant to be for surviving, and yeah, you can survive with that. That's okay. Give a thumbs up for ALW Exploration, and yeah, we had fun eating that shit, and if you want to see more of that, just give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and if you like to learn some German from the Germans and with the Germans, then give 2 thumbs up.
Yes, from Major Tom. You
And
learn German
also
from Major Tom.
His channel is lostplace.info on YouTube, so check it out. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Greetings from Major Tom to UK and
The world.
all over the world.
Greetings.
Looking over my shoulder, looking back at your door. In my head it goes over and over. Should I leave or want it more? Looking